Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to sign out your Apple Watch using your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're upgrading to a new watch, troubleshooting issues, or just want a clean slate, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. It's quick, easy, and ensures you don't lose any important data. First, make sure your Apple Watch is nearby and connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This process might vary slightly based on future iOS updates, but we'll stick to the most likely steps for 2025. Start by opening the Watch app on your iPhone. It's that colorful icon on your home screen. If you can't find it, just search for Watch in your app library. Once you're in the app, tap on the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for all Apple Watch settings. Next, scroll down the list and select your Apple Watch's name to access its specific options. Now, look for the General section or something similar. It might be labeled as Device Management in 2025 updates. Tap on that, and then find the Unpair Apple Watch or Sign Out option. Apple is all about security, so you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Make sure to back up your data if it asks. This step ensures your activity, apps, and settings are saved to iCloud. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might include entering your Apple ID password for verification. Once confirmed, your iPhone will handle the rest. Your Apple Watch will restart and be signed out completely. A quick tip: if your watch has cellular service, you may need to manage that separately through your iPhone's settings to avoid any ongoing charges. And that's it, you've successfully signed out your Apple Watch. This process keeps your device secure and ready for the next user. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.